To install any KeyFit Max infant car seat base using the seatbelt, make sure the vehicle is on a level surface. Place the KeyFit base on the vehicle seat, making sure it is not blocking the seatbelt buckle. Adjust the recline foot by lifting the recline foot adjuster. And move the base until the bubble falls between the arrows on the bubble level indicator. Next, thread the vehicle seatbelt up through the belt path on the side of the base. Pull the seatbelt down through the vehicle seatbelt path on the opposite side of the base. Buckle the seatbelt. Then, while pushing down on the base, pull up on the vehicle shoulder belt to remove all slack from the vehicle lap belt. Keeping tension on the shoulder belt, slide the belt into the belt lock-off on the opposite side of where the vehicle seat is buckled. Do not pull on the shoulder belt after it is positioned in the lock-off. Check your work by pulling side to side and forward. The base should not move more than 1 inch. Insert the carrier into the base and ensure the carry handle is placed in a locked position. Push down on the carrier to make sure it locks onto the carrier attachment hooks on the base. Check your work by making sure the carrier is locked in place, and confirm that the bubble on the level indicator is between the level lines.